It's somewhere. But you thought I was joking. And you are arriving, you are getting closer at the end of every day. You are digging deep, you are closer, you are closer, you are closer. Who digging every day by yourself to yourself, or in the name of covering? I'm doing great, darling. I'm doing great, Felix. God bless you for asking. Thank you very much. So, sweetie, how was your trip? I hope everything went well. I know. We will talk later. When I don't reach us for night, I will call you. Tell me. You know, if you're at break around 5, I'll call you. Or around 8, one of the 3 times now to call you. You understand me, bang? So, at the end of the day, also, when I'm not quarrel with a power, they just want to involve a power. This matter not concern a power. Now me, more chest matter. And on Saturday, I will come explain to you how the tea take reach me and make my table. And another one with the law, so I see from GPC, Eke no konko magwalo, Eke sheshe ge magwalo, Eke roba magwalo, Eke ne woto. Hey magwalo. Efe, I'm really disappointed in you. Short one to you. You said if your husband people want to make it dirty, let's play it dirty. It's a pity. It's a pity that when a pity man die in a pity way, what I expected from you is not what you are doing. What you told me is not what you are doing. By now you should be proving your innocence by, you know what I mean. Not this one. We had to hear. We don't woman like social media. What about you pretend? What about you pretend? We know woman like media. We take provision by Galilei. But now we're here with first now. We're here with first now. The saga, Oma. My mother copy no way. Say, this saga. They wanna go with be right top. We're not beneath okay. What the fronjo? We're not beneath kapama by. I'm disappointed in you. Social media president Omuweladia. You're tired where you are. Social media president. Va avec Soviere. Ore wona ka podione. Then you na way. Then you ke. But omoya tama wege. Omoya tama wege niya. Wege bena niya. Very good. Your innocence was very important. Like proving it to with the masses was what we ever wanted. But in a much way, it was not paramount to you. It was not really important to you. So that was why you felt that the thing you ought to do is to do it this way. You want to play dirty with your husband's family. I think by the time you dig, you are going to dig more harm to yourself by doing this. You are digging more harms to yourself and more secret to be revealed, and which at the end of the day you will sit down and you will regret why did you ever started it. And it is better you have remained. The only way you can prove your innocency when I want to wear a venue one, who are venue one, who are venue one for ne. They don't see boy only that prove your innocence. On your back or carry but we suck and we does we daughter of our Kabama. Okay, now we are washing, but many time me here analyzing matani. I have to wait since Saturday. Then we'll come and dig it deep. We'll come and dig it dirty, according to you. So we'll come and dig it dirty according to you. So everyone, you have proven innocent, my dear. Okay, are you with me? Yo tiko be awo keria omori amono kekwa Ivie kaluwe kwa a gang. I don't trust gang. I don't trust members. I don't trust Ivie kalomokwa Ivie filomole mudokwa Ivie kaluwe kwa membership. Where am I? Every time you put figures at a par, you can't come away nowhere. Stay away. A part changing and is not ready for this. And we've make it a yastic way. Yes, a part will change for good. Nah. Tagata and Iyotiko. Monekia wakabama arrive bisoke o. Sister Nore UK. Geno Tagata na we ona we agbo irato poge where is okay. Ovie akabama, which is wrong. So kamagu egwa, you want to find my go egwa ya madeba matana jena. O wa we to see a few way. I don't know pole pota. We know that one before saying I'm So for that simple reason, I'm really disappointed in you. I'm highly disappointed in you. And here the GPC gang. No ya in ya vieke vemoti wane. Ya ve do salo baeme. Ya ve tabania. Why we sone Saturday ya ve do time. When ya in ya wani GPC e kin gona ya in ya e ya gweme. Morone. Morone na me dey make this happen. You understand? So I'm disappointed in you. It's an understatement. When I said I am disappointed, it is an understatement. So guys, please, I love you all. It's working time. I have to leave now to go to work. And I've already promised my husband that I will not be doing street videos. But this one is just quick. And I believe everybody should understand this. This is still my school. I'm still in school. I just finished from school now. I'm going to work. I'm going to take my van here. So we'll see on Saturday, by God's grace, inshallah. We will see on Saturday. So we'll sit down with our cold beer, or cold wine, or cold cognac, mixed with cola. Then we'll come and give them water. Add the water, so now so it be. So make una take charge. What time sir? Okay. Still get 5 minutes. So for that simple reason, my dear, make we try more do it good, because when person gonna jump up, they like tell us some kind thing. No go reason and say this thing are truth. If the one they people na Ivie or no, Ivie kalo ekwa. Ivie filomole wodokwa. Ivie paselo sachik. Ivie mo bati we pa mama mo wese. O ma ese o be second we ya nwa. No we asem no be seswa. E worry. Ya help ministry we. I will help your ministry. Yes, so the very big man wife. Okay now. Una bye. We'll see on Saturday. Okay now.